the show. My name is Jack Scalfani. It's the Cooking with Jack show, and I want you to know something. We got a whole bunch of changes coming to the show. Good stuff. We got new merchandise coming. We got new shirts coming. We got new hats coming. We're going to be giving you more of the videos you like, the Lazy Man videos, the barbecue videos, the product review videos. We're completely revamping things and working on things and constantly making sure that we give you the best videos possible. So anyway, I'm pretty excited about today's review. It's pretty cool. And this is a company that I've been with for a while. I have reviewed one of their other knife sets. And this knife set is by a company called Imarku. I believe it's pronounced Imarku. It's Imarku. That's exactly what it says. So anyway, if it's pronounced something different, please forgive me. They contacted me. They got this new set going. It's a 16-piece knife set, so we're not going to be able to try them all out, but we'll try you just. I'm looking at it all put together over there. It's absolutely. You can see the picture right here. It's absolutely beautiful. So come on in close. We'll talk about what's in the set, okay? And we're going to do the same old, and we're going to give it a run for its money. See how it cuts. See how the edge is. See how it feels in my hand. That's all the important stuff. So anyway, let's get this thing started. All right, guys, on the side of the box here, it shows you everything that's in it. So I just want to run down. You're going to see chef knife, bread knife, slicing knife, santoku, 6-inch chef knife, utility knife, paring knife, steak knife. You got 6 steak knives, knife sharpener, kitchen shears, and a knife block. And this, let me turn it real quick and show you. That's what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Okay, guys, I just want to talk about the knife block. Very, very sturdy knife block. If I had a knife, I use the magnetic strip, but if I had a knife block like this, it literally be the one I'd want. Is this one. Really is nice. It's got steak knives. Let me pull one out here. Oh, this is the chef knife. Okay, guys, so look at this. This is the chef knife. By the way, if you hear any noise in the background, that's Hope drinking her water and eating her food. But anyway, this is the knife, okay? You want to learn how to sharpen a knife. All right, every time you use the knife, you want to use this rod that comes with the set. This is a honing rod. Now this rod right here, let me show you how it works, okay? So basically, I'm not going to because I know these are sharp already. Basically, you're going to take your knife and slide across like that. Slide at an angle like that. And then at the bottom, slide another angle like that. It puts the edge back on the knife. Okay, that's called honing the knife, okay? You should do that before you use the knife every single time. Honing a knife just puts the edge back on, okay? And this is perfect. You can handle it just right. The knives are perfect weight. Now, don't use the sharpener. Let me put this rod back. Don't use the sharpener on this knife that you pull through. When you pull through the metal tips, it literally tears the metal up on your knife. It's literally ripping the metal shreds, and flakes are going everywhere, getting in your food, getting on your cutting board, whatever. I think the one is that they recommend is the shark. Don't do that. Use a stone, a wet stone or an oil stone. Use the slicing sharpener at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's got 3 slots. You can read about how to use it. But once again, make sure you don't use the kind that you pull it through and rip. Okay? That's my only warning for you guys. This is the chef knife. It's beautiful. It's long. It feels great in my hand. It's just gorgeous. Okay, let's see what else we got. Got that knife. You got the... Oh, all right, guys. What is the long one with serrated? That's your bread knife. We're going to use that on tomatoes. That's beautiful. Let's leave the chef knife. I'm leaving all the ones I'm using today out. Here is, what if it looks like a chef knife but longer and thinner? What do we call that? I'm almost positive that's the slicer, the slicing knife. This is for like If you're carving Thanksgiving turkey and you're just cutting the meat, the breast meat off the bird, you can use that. If you're taking the meat off the bird, then you probably want to use a boning knife. And I don't know if we have one of those. All right, this one is, I believe this is the utility knife. Kind of an all-purpose knife. It's for cutting stuff too. Cutting vegetables and stuff. Let's take a look at this one. Oh yeah, this is their, see? That's a Santoku. That NutriBlade set, didn't know what a Santoku was. This is a Santoku. It's shaped just like my other one on the wall. Then you got the honing rod, which we're going to keep in there. You even get, I don't know if you guys are into cooking shears, but this I use all the time. This opens everything for me. It opens bags. It opens like ribs that are wrapped in plastic, the big thick vacuum sealed plastic. They're beautiful. And they got a little locking mechanism right here. You can pop that open and they're spring loaded. These are nice. Then you lock it back up and put it in your block. All right, let's see what else we got. And then we got, oh no, this looks like I'm sorry. This is the utility knife, the all-purpose. This is like for cutting packages open or string, or you just got to cut things quick. You just grab your utility all-purpose. This is, I'm guessing, the small chef knife. This is the 6-inch chef knife. That's my bad. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, this little dude, that's for holding an apple and cutting the skin off and paring a piece of fruit. That's why they call it the paring knife. Because what you do is you take your hand like this and I don't know a lot about paring. I don't do it a lot, but I know that's what this knife is designed for. Sometimes you'll see this knife curved a little bit, but this is also, sometimes this is my all-purpose. I'll grab this knife to cut a package open, or I'll grab this knife. It's like it looks like a box cutter, but it's not. It's a paring knife, okay? And then you've got your steak knives. The front half is serrated, but the back half is a straight edge. One of the biggest mistakes that are done is people don't use the entire length of the knife. You need to cut the complete length of the knife. Don't saw. Don't use 1 inch of your knife. You got 10 inches here. Use it all. All right? And I think that's it for this set. So let's put this up and we will try out some of these knives and see how they cut. Let's see here. All right, so let's move all these over. We're going to be using, I'm only going to try out this chef knife really quick. And we'll use this chef knife for our pineapple cut, okay? This is either this one or we'll use, I don't know, we had better luck with the slicer over here. Maybe we'll use the slicer today to cut the pineapple. Not a clue. Let's move everything out of the way. Let's see how everything goes. Bread. This we're going to do tomatoes. Oh, I got knives everywhere now. Hold on. Remember how I showed you how I cut an onion with one hand? So I'm going to show you, we'll time lapse it for you, but I'm going to show you once again cutting this onion with one hand. Lots of people, you have two hands, then you probably grab the onion like this and you hold it, and I just can't take that chance with my hand. So I need a sharp blade. So I hope these are sharp. And this is the way I do it. So I'm going to use this blade. Oh, no. Better yet, I'm using the Santoku. I really prefer the Santoku. It's long like a chef knife. Okay. These are beautiful. Well, there you go. Right there. If you want it more finely chopped, then I'll just take the knife, start chopping it even more. Alright, this is like the last tomato I got in the house. It's all terribly, I guess it's ready to be thrown out. So I'm just going to use it for cutting purposes. But if you see spots like this, either cut them off and then cut your tomato, or just, let's see if we can, we're going to use, we're going to use the bread knife right now. There we go. Oops, try it again. Full length of the knife, watch this. Beautiful. Look how thin it gets. What knife are we using next? Let's use let's do the big chef knife. We're gonna use the big chef knife. We gotta get this off first. All right, let's give it a cut now. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. Look at that. One last test before we go to the pineapple. Whoops. Get this bag open. All right. One last test. We're gonna do some carrots. Beautiful. Okay guys, so let me tell you the end of this video. The footage was damaged. I don't know how it got damaged. I went to the backups on the camera, went to the backups. We did slice the pineapple with these knives. It was a success, but the footage just fails to process. I can't get it exported out so I can show you what it looks like. So I've added this ending on. Everything else is good, but this following footage, when I do the pineapple slice, we hung the pineapple, we sliced it, it was all good. Just want to let you know, I have no idea. I can't get it to work. It fails every time I'm exporting it. And I'm out of choices. So I just got to fill you in and let you know everything went good. And the knife set is definitely a plus. It's a good one.